What do you need to record? For this running effect you need to record yourself a couple of times how you run parallel to your camera. Look that you always keep the same distance to your camera when you record this. Do the same shot at different places a couple of times, and at the end record one shot where you slow down and stand still. And how to edit this effect I will show you now. Okay, cool. Now put all those clips you've just recorded into your timeline. So, like this one. Now put every clip of those on top of each other. Now we want to arrange all those 4 clips into one line. Therefore we need to scale every clip. There's a small formula to calculate the percentage you need. So 100 divide the number of clips is your percentage you need. In my case 25% for every clip. Now all those clips are 25%. Now we want to arrange them in one line, so make sure the first clip is at the right corner and the last clip is at the left corner. Just use the X coordinates to arrange them in one line. Okay, cool. Now we want that we are running from frame to frame like it looks. We are start running here and ending here. When I'm done running on the first clip, look. Right now I'm at the edge. I need to start running in the next clip. Therefore I'm moving this clip like that. Yeah, look, now it looks like I'm starting in the first clip and continue running in the next clip and so on. We want to do this with every single clip, yeah. Okay. Now, when you are done with that, make sure you make every clip as long as possible in both directions. Like this, like that, and yeah. Cool. Now we have this long video line where I'm starting running from the first clip into the next clip and I'm ending in the last clip. Yeah. Now just mark all clips, right click it and create a new compound clip. Cut the clip where you start running in the right frame. So I cut it right here and delete the rest. And I set a cut where I'm done running. So right here. Now mark this block, go to the crop icon, to the Ken Burns effect. Here we need to adjust the starting frame to the first clip. So right like that. And we need to adjust the ending frame to the last clip. And make sure the frames are like the same size, yeah. It doesn't need to be exactly the same size, but roughly the same size, yeah. So the camera follows me till I slow down. Now we want to make this last frame just stand still. Therefore, we again mark this block. Type Command C, go to the next block, mark it, go to Edit, paste attributes. Make sure you are just pasting the crop and then paste it. And now we applied the Ken Burns effect also to this clip. So we want to achieve that the last frame of this block looks exactly the same like the first frame of this block. Therefore, we again go to the Ken Burns effect. We need to switch the starting and ending frame. And then just overlay the starting frame with the ending frame, like that. Just play it and then we can see the camera stand still when we are done running. Yeah, and this is basically how you are doing this running effect. I don't know, it's something different, it's something new. With this effect you can show how you are going through a city or something like that. It just looks cool in my opinion. So I hope you understood everything. If you have any further questions, just put them in the comments below. And I will answer them, of course. Thank you for watching.